Sending money to India from abroad has never been easier thanks to Remitly money transfer to India. Whether you're supporting your family, paying for business expenses or sending emergency funds, Remitly offers a fast, affordable and secure way to transfer money internationally. Why choose Remitly for sending money to India? Remitly is one of the most trusted digital remittance services, offering competitive exchange rates, low fees, and multiple delivery options. Some key benefits include fast transfers. With express delivery, your money reaches India within minutes. Low fees. Compared to traditional banks, Remitly offers cost-effective transfer options. Secure transactions. Remitly ensures encrypted and safe transactions for peace of mind. Multiple payment methods. Send money via debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Flexible delivery options. Recipients can receive money directly into their bank account, mobile wallet, or pick it up as cash. How to send money to India? Using Remitly, the process is simple and user-friendly. Follow these steps. Sign up and log in. Visit the Remitly website or download the mobile app. Create an account with your email and phone number. Enter transfer details. Select India as your destination country and enter the amount you want to send. Choose delivery speed. Express offers instant transfer but comes with higher fees. Economy, on the other hand, takes 3 to 5 business days but offers lower fees. Provide recipient details. Enter the recipient's bank account details, UPI ID, or choose cash pickup. Select payment method. Choose whether to pay using a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Confirm and send. Review all details, confirm the exchange rate, and complete your transaction. What are the fees and exchange rates? Remitly offers competitive exchange rates that vary based on market conditions. Fees depend on transfer speed, whether you choose express or economy. Payment method also matters, as debit cards usually have lower fees than credit cards, and of course current exchange rates. Make sure to check these before transferring. Is Remitly safe for money transfers? Yes, Remitly is highly secure, using encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect your money. Additionally, they offer a money-back guarantee if your transfer doesn't arrive on time. Final thoughts. Using Remitly money transfer is one of the most efficient ways to send money to India securely. With flexible options, competitive rates and fast transfers, Remitly makes cross-border remittances hassle-free. Try Remitly today and experience a smooth, secure and reliable money transfer service.